This page is a comparison and contrast of Little Critter, Hansel and Gretel, and the original Hansel and Gretel. What is similar to the original story? The storyline of books are similar. Each Hansel and Gretel walks into the forest and meets the witch, and the witch in each story is wanting to eat Hansel and Gretel. The witch is living in a candy house in the woods, and Hansel and Gretel live happily ever after in each story. What is different from the original story? Hansel and Gretel go into the woods for different reasons in each book. In the Little Critter book, they go into the woods for food. In the original story, they get dropped off in the woods by their parents. In each story, the witch is pushed into... In the original story, the witch is pushed into an oven. And then in the Little Critters version, she is pushed into a well. The Little Critters version, the father comes to find Hansel and Gretel. And in the original version, the parents leave Hansel and Gretel in the woods. The Little Critter version of Hansel and Gretel is more kid-oriented compared to the Brothers Grimm's version of Hansel and Gretel, where it's more vulgar and more detail.